So I will be showing you guys how I refresh my twists, being that it's been 3 weeks. So the first thing I do is start with my scalp. I don't know if you guys been watching my channel from last year, but I discovered a scalp tonic. This is the Hour X Scalp Tonic, and this is like a cleansing scalp solution that you put on your scalp, and you don't have to wash your hair. It actually cleanses it. It has micellar water, witch hazel, and other beneficial ingredients in there to really detox the scalp while giving it a nice cleanse without actually having to go and shampoo and wash the scalp. So this is perfect if you're wearing a protective style and you want to keep it in longer and you're not ready to wash your hair yet. Look how much of this I have left, guys. It's like less than half, so it's almost time to restock on this bad boy because it is just that good. I've been using it up whenever I wear protective styles, and it has this nozzle right here so that it can get to my scalp much more easier. So this helps to freshen my scalp. It unclogs my pores, all of that buildup of like dirt and product that can get on the scalp, you know. It feels amazing. So I do this about like once a week in my protective style to keep my scalp nice and healthy. So for the length, I just go ahead and spray it with some plain water. This is going to hydrate my hair because even though you're protective styling, you want to keep your hair nice and hydrated. So to seal my hair, I'm using this lightweight oil by Revere. So it has a lot of lightweight oils such as olive oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil. So yeah, so I use a oil to seal my hair, not my scalp. I don't like to put oil on my scalp when I'm protective styling. I feel like it just makes my scalp itchy and make me want to wash it really fast. So yeah, this is going to slow down the evaporation of that moisture. So I'm gonna switch up my hairstyle this week. I've just been wearing it in the half up, half down look, but I think this week I want to do like a top bun, especially now that it's getting older and I want to camouflage some of like the frizz that's happening in the hair. I don't want it like out too much. But yeah, the hair is still holding up. This is the hot braids hair that I use, and it's still holding up well. So if you want to learn how to put these in at home by yourself, I will leave my link down below and you can check it out. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.